Hello friends, welcome to our channel PR Learning Lab. Today in this video, we will be working with pictures in Microsoft Word. We will also learn the various formatting techniques. First of all, I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. So friends, in this video, I will be using Microsoft 365 apps. Now firstly, in order to learn about formatting with picture, we will be inserting a picture. In order to do so, select insert and select picture. You can insert a picture either from your device or from online. Now I'm inserting this picture in my document. You can see that my picture has been inserted, and you can see this layout options box which is available behind the picture when you insert it. We have already discussed about the various layout options available in our previous videos. Please go check it out. And now coming to the various formatting styles that are available for us, we will be going through one by one later in this video. The first picture formatting technique we will be learning is remove background. With the help of this remove background, we can remove unwanted portions of the picture. If needed, we can use mark to indicate the areas if we want to keep or remove from the picture. In order to understand this technique very clearly, I will be inserting some picture with a plain neat background. Now let us insert a picture. You can see that my picture has a plain white background in it. Now we will be learning about remove background on this object. When I will select this, you can see that there are two options which are available: mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove, where we can draw the lines. When I'm choosing this option, you can see that my cursor has changed to a pen. Now let me mark some points for my image. You can see that this part has only been visible and the rest has been turned into magenta color. And now if I'll use this, I can mark points to remove from the image. Now you can see that this has been blurred out into magenta and only this part is visible. If you're all done, you can keep the changes, and if you want to discard, you can discard the changes. This is mainly useful when you want to remove the background from a picture, and you can also add various new plain backgrounds to a picture. Now the artistic effects will make our image look more like a sketch or a painting. When you select this, you can see there are various preset artistic effects which are available for us, and when you go through various artistic effect options, you can select manually any type of settings which are required by you, like the size, the transparency, the color, the angle, the distance, any change which is required by you over here. And next, the transparency. We can adjust the transparency of the picture to allow what is behind it to be seen over here. You can see that my picture has been changing whenever I go through various options. And when you go to picture transparency options, you can select manually the options, the transparency over here. And next, you can see the picture styles available over here, the various styles which you want your picture to be in. When I'm going through various picture styles, you can see that my image has been changing. And now coming to the picture border, you can select the color, the width and the style in which your border should be displayed. Now for example, I am selecting some background border color for my picture, and if you want it to be plain, you can select white, and if you want to remove the border at all, then you can select no outline, and you can select the width of your border over here. And if you want it to be styled in a different way, you can go to dashes and select the style of your border over here. And this is about picture border. And coming to the picture effects, we can apply some visual effect to the picture, like some shadow, some glow, or any 3D effects to this. These are some of the preset picture effects available for us, and also some 3D options. You can select manually the settings over here, as we have already discussed, like the size, the angle, the distance over here. And these are some of the various other picture effects which are available, like glow, some soft edges, and reflection. Select any picture effect which is required by you. And next, coming to the alt text, here we can create some text description for our objects, for some screen readers, and you can select any text required by you which is to be displayed along with the object whenever you insert any picture. This selection pane is used to list all the objects on the current page. We can either hide them or display the objects or change the order in which you want the objects to appear. Now you can see that there is only one picture which is available in this current page. If you have more than one, then you can either select the order or hide or display the images using the selection pane. Now, coming to the align settings, we can select the placement of our object in our document using this align option. You can see there are various options available here: align to the page, align to the margin, and set the requirements according to you. And you can see this view grid lines. We can show grid lines in the background for perfect object placement, and when you select this, you can see that grid lines have been shown in my document. You can also select the width, the length, the height of the grids when you go through this grid settings. Any manual changes regarding the grids can be done over here. Now the final formatting option available for pictures is the crop, where we can select the size of the picture. You can select any manual settings of your picture regarding the size over here. That's all, my friends, about working with pictures and its formatting styles. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel PR Learning Lab.